Hello, in this lesson I want to show you how you can manage your data in MS Excel. An MS Excel file is just like a book where you can create several sheets. Just like in a book we have page 1, 2, 3. Even in a book in MS Excel you can create sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Except that in MS Excel, we call a collection of sheets a workbook. Right now, I am in MS Excel file, but there is only one sheet. Therefore, I am in MS Excel workbook with one sheet. I will go ahead and create the second sheet. And to create the second sheet, you just come here and click this icon with the plus. Then it is adding. You can keep on adding them as many as you will want, and all these sheets are used to manage data. For example, if I want to keep list of students in class from year 5 students to year 9, I will create each sheet for each class. Then I will come and right click on each sheet like this and choose rename, and I will be able to write the name of the class. I will click the next one, then I can even rename it year 6. The other one, rename year 7, like that. So this way I'm able to organize my sheets so that it is easy. If I want students in year 5, I can just click this tab, then a list is provided. If I want student in year 6, just click the tab and you get a list. Likewise, you can as well remove some sheets if you don't need them. If you, for example, if I don't need these 3, I will just right click, then choose delete. Then the sheet is gone. And in case you want to delete several of them, then you click the first one, then you press down Control, and you click the second one. Right now I have the 2 of them selected. I can now right click and delete the 2 of them. You can as well copy a sheet. For example, this one, if I want to copy this, I will just right click, then choose move or copy. And in this dialog, you will decide, do you want to insert it after year 5, or you want to move it to the end of the sheet. I will select move to the end. Then here you will say, when you select this, it means you are copying. But if you unselect like this, when you click here, it will mean you are moving it from the location it is here to the end of the sheet. But I just want to create a copy of it, so I will click here, then choose create copy and click OK. Now you can see a copy of year 7 is created, and if this year 7 will be containing some data, all those data will have been created in the copy. So I will go ahead and rename this and maybe call it year 8, and I can create another one and call it year 9. That is how we manage data in the sheet. I will go ahead here and show you one of my workbook, and here I have several sheets. This is for the prices for my shops. I have 2 shops, one in Nairobi, another one in Mombasa, and in each shop I sell similar products. These 4 types of fruits, like that, and the prices I write them in the prices sheet, and all the fruits are sold with one price in either of the shops. Even if it is a Nairobi shop or Mombasa shop, I will just sell them with one price. And I control my prices on this sheet. If I change something here, I want it to reflect in the other sheets. So I will go ahead and show you how I can calculate the value of the fruits in the two shops. In Nairobi shop, you can see I have 120 bananas, and the price for one banana is 10 shillings in this prices sheet. So I'm going to do a multiplication by taking the number of bananas here, move to the first sheet for the prices, and click the price for the bananas. So I will start here by putting equal sign. I will pick the number of my bananas, then multiply with the star. You can always read this formula bar as you are doing calculation. Now I need to move to the prices sheet to pick the price for banana. I will click prices and come to the banana and click. Now you can see the name of this sheet, price sheet, is shown in the formula, and it is picking in cell C3. It means it is picking C6 multiplied by C3 in the prices sheet. I will go ahead and press enter, and now you can see when I press enter, I am brought to the original sheet and the answer is already calculated. I can do the same for apples. Pick the quantity, multiply with the star, then apples are 30, and press enter. Now if the items are in the same order, like here I am starting with banana, apple, pineapple, and mango. Even in the other sheet, banana, apple, pineapple, and mango, it means I can as well drag down this formula on condition that all the items must be in the same order in both the sheets. If they are not in the same order, you will get wrong information. So I will go ahead here and do the sum and add the value of these items in Nairobi shop. Press enter. Going to Mombasa shop now, click. You can see here I have bananas 92 pieces. Put the equal sign where I want the answer. Pick the quantity of bananas, multiply, come to the price sheet, pick the price of one banana, press enter. Do the same for the apples, equal sign. Pick the quantity of apples multiplied by the price of apples in the prices sheet. Click the price of apple, press enter. Since the banana, apple, pineapple, and mango order is the same order on the prices sheet, I can go ahead and just click the previous answer and drag down, just like that. Then I will go ahead and calculate total for the Mombasa shop using the sum and just select all of them and press enter. Now I am done for Nairobi shop. You can see total is this, and for Mombasa the same. Now I will come here and do something. Take note that the price for banana is 10 here, and therefore the value for bananas in the Nairobi shop is 1,200. Tomorrow, when I notice that the price of banana has gone up and I want to sell at maybe 15, I will not go to every sheet and update the value of the banana in these sheets. What I will simply do, I will come here and only change price here, like that. Then you will see the price will change. It was 1,200, now it is 18. And for Mombasa, it has also changed. Let me return the price here to 10, and you can see it has gone back to where it used to be. So that is the advantage of working across sheets. You don't have to change data in every sheet when certain things change. I will go ahead to pick values to put here in this small summary table. I want to know the total number. I want to know the total value of fruits in each shop in Nairobi and Mombasa. This is the total for Nairobi. You can as well read this total and come here and type it, but that is not necessary. You use what we call referencing. To reference, if I want to put a value here from somewhere else, I will reference it by putting equal sign, click the sheet where it is here, click it, then press enter. Same if I want to reference for total for this Mombasa shop, put equal sign, go to where Mombasa shop is, pick what you want to reference and press enter. So finally you can see the data is reflected. I can calculate total now, sum, and select all of them like that. The good thing of working across sheets like this is if there is a change, for example here total value for Nairobi is 40.65 and the one for Mombasa is 29.75. If tomorrow there is a change, I won't be able to waste my time recalculating everything which I have already calculated. For example, if price of banana drops to 8 and I decide to sell it at 8, then you can see the change is already reflected. It was 4,065, now it is 38.25 here. That is because the others also change. Here totally changed, and here totally changed. Here it was 4,065, and now it is now 38.25. All these are done because we are working across sheets and using what we call formulas. A formula starts with the equal sign, and that is how we apply them. So tomorrow, if the price for banana goes to 15, I will just come here and change it. Then I'm able to see the values automatically updated. Tomorrow, mango might be selling at 30. You can see everything is reflected because of this single change, because everything is connected across these sheets. That is how we manage data across sheets in MS Excel. Thank you for participating. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.